Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have iPhone 60 Plus and I want to show you how I remove magnification to this device. Firstly, open Settings application. In it, scroll and look for your accessibility. Now we tap on our zoom and we must turn on it. In it, we can change position of our zoom using 2 fingers and swiping with it on screen. You can also turn off it by triple touch the screen using 3 fingers, and we open menu of it. We can zoom on, zoom out. We can also choose filter, choose region and show control. There we have instruction how use our zoom. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.